Welcome to the AI Shorts PAL training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to manage my Shorts section. Go to the left menu and click on My Shorts. Now you are on My Shorts section. Here you can see and manage your generated shorts. When you hover on video, a drop-down menu will appear. You can view your shorts. You can download your shorts. You can edit your shorts in our exclusive video editor. You can also share your shorts to your desired social media platform. Thanks for watching the video.